Hi there, and welcome to this quiet sanctuary, a space created just for you with kindness and love. I'm Diana, and I'm honored to guide you. In this moment, know that you are safe and supported, and this time is entirely yours. Settle into a comfortable position, whatever feels right for you. Gently rest your palms open, facing upward, ready to receive. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze, allowing the gentle energy of the earth to support you. Let's begin with the steady, reliable anchor of your breath. Take a slow, deep, and nourishing breath in, fully filling your lungs. And as you exhale, release with a soft sigh any tension, any worry, or any thought that no longer serves your highest peace. Continue to breathe evenly and gently. With each soft inhale, imagine you are drawing in fresh, clear compassion, a gentle breeze washing over you. And with each exhale, allow your mouth to softly part, feeling any heaviness gently leaving your body, dissolving into the spaciousness around you. Place your hands on your heart. In this sacred time, let's set an intention to gently cultivate love and kindness toward yourself. Let's turn our attention inward, creating a loving space just for you as we recognize the deep importance of offering ourselves grace and tenderness that we so need. Bring your gentle awareness to your heart space, the very center of your being. And as you breathe in, imagine warm, soft light beginning to glow there, growing brighter with each inhale. And as you exhale, feel this loving light gently expanding, creating a serene and protective sanctuary around you. With kindness, consider how hard you can be on yourself. Perhaps it's an inner critic or a feeling that you aren't enough. Maybe you won't forgive yourself for mistakes you've made. Just for these moments, allow those thoughts to soften a little and maybe even gently fall away. Free yourself from the heaviness of expectations that are too high. Offer compassion that you are doing the best you can in this lifetime. As you continue to breathe softly, sense your body becoming lighter and more at ease with each passing moment. Gently turn your awareness to this new quiet spaciousness within you. In this space, you can listen to the gentle whispers of your own heart, that inner knowing that often gets overshadowed by the noise of daily life. With each breath, breathe in a sense of openness and receptivity into your heart. And with each exhale, gently release any lingering doubt, trusting that your heart knows what you want. Let's take a few moments for a few gentle reminders of your own goodness. You are worthy of your own kindness. You are enough exactly as you are. Give yourself permission to rest and receive. Know that there is an infinite source of love available to you. Seek it with an open heart. Gather it and let it come in. Take a final, deep, gentle breath in and hold for a few seconds at the top. Feel the stillness. And as you exhale, release any last expectations you may be holding, knowing that in this moment you are simply loved and you are enough exactly as you are. As we gently begin to bring our awareness back to the present moment, wiggle your fingers and toes softly. When you feel completely ready, gently open your eyes, carrying with you a feeling of openness, lightness, and the unwavering knowing that you are and always will be worthy of your own deepest love. I wish you calm mind and body until we meet again.